Head over to this URL and you can also click the link in the course resources. After that, fork this final REPL, read the instructions. As you can see, it is telling us to create a greeting machine which takes the first name and the last name of a user and greets them using the first name and the last name. And write your code below this line. Pause the video and complete this coding challenge. I hope you have completed it successfully. This was a very easy challenge, so let's go through it together. First, we are going to have a little print statement for decoration. Welcome to our or the greeting machine, like this. And then after that, we are going to get the user's name through an input function. What is your first name? And I am going to name this first name so that it's more meaningful. I will give a space so that the user has a space before they type their name, and then we are going to get the second name or the last name using another input function. What is your second name? We are going to use the print function, and then in here we are going to say greetings, and then we are going to use string concatenation, then use the user's first name and then the second name, and then at the end we are going to have an exclamation mark. And after this exclamation mark we forgot to give spaces, so after greetings we have to give a space so that there's a space before the first name, and then I'm going to string concatenation and concatenate another space between the first name and the last name. Then we are concatenating an exclamation mark. So let's run this code, and as you can see, it is telling us welcome to the greeting machine. We provide our name and then our second name, and as you can see, it is greeting us by saying greetings, the first name and the last name. You can provide any value, let's say John Doe, and it works completely fine. I hope you have completed this exercise with ease, but if you haven't, I encourage you to watch the previous videos again and have a solid understanding of each topic, and then come back to this video and try this challenge on your own again.